Here, I will show you on how to change your number in TikTok in a few minutes. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about TikTok topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change your phone number on TikTok in a few minutes. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok account. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on profile. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. Then click on settings and privacy. Then click on accounts. Then click on account information. Then click on phone number. Then click on change phone number. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply enter your new phone number and click on send code. With that, your phone number is going to change successful on TikTok. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your phone number on TikTok in a few minutes. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about TikTok tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.